All right, this is 2013, number 2 from the AB exam. This is this exam's position, velocity, acceleration question. And you're given a closed interval from 0 to 5. You're told the velocity is this. And you're told that the position at time 0 is 10. All right, in part A, it asks you to find all values of t between 2 and 4 for which the speed of the particle is 2, okay? So speed is the absolute value of velocity, okay? So I can say, well, the absolute value of velocity, speed, equals to 2. This is a calculator question, so what I'm going to choose to do is subtract 2 from both sides. And then in my Y1, I'm going to type in math num abs on your calculator will get you to the absolute value bars. So I'm going to type that and then type my velocity equation so that it's in bars, minus 2. And then I'm going to change my window so that the x min is 2 and the x max is 4 because that's all I'm interested in. Okay? And I'm going to graph it, and I'm going to see that this guy is changing sign, or that he's equal to 0 at 3.128 and 3.473. Okay? Remember, your 0 feature is in second trace. All right? Part B, write an expression involving an integral that gives the position s of t. Okay? So when you integrate velocity, you get to position, and you have an initial condition. So we can say, there's our initial condition, that the position is equal to 10 plus the integration from 0 to t of v of, I chose x this time. Again, you just don't want those to be the same variable. It doesn't matter what that particular variable that you choose is. And then you're supposed to use that to figure out the position of the particle at time 5, okay? So the position at 5 is equal to 10 plus the integration from 0 to 5 of v of t, and you get negative 9.207. Now, it asks for the position, so it doesn't matter if some of that stuff is negative and some of it's positive. It's just position. There's no need to put any absolute value bars on that at all. Okay, part C, find all times t between 0 and 5 when the particle changes direction and justify. Okay, so a particle changes direction when its velocity changes sign. So you're just plugging the velocity equation into your y equals screen, graphing it, and you're seeing that it changes sign at 0.536 and 3.318. Again, you're using that second trace feature to find your zeros on your graph. All right. And then part D, is the speed of the particle increasing or decreasing at time 4? Well, the velocity at time 4 is this, and I just straight up plugged 4 into my velocity equation. And then from your home screen, you can derive velocity. So I think that's math 8 gets you to your derivative, and then type your velocity equation in, and you're deriving it at time 4, and that'll give you the acceleration at time 4, which is negative 22.296. Both of those guys are negative, so the speed is increasing because velocity and acceleration have the same sign. All right.